There's a lot more to iOS 26 than the stuff you hear most often. Apart from the new liquid glass design, the spatial photos, there are over 400 features in iOS 26 that you probably don't know about. And some of these features are very important because not everyone is on the latest iPhone, and a lot of them are facing problems with iOS 26. Performance issues, battery drain, and surprisingly, even readability issues. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you 14 settings that you need to change so you can get the full experience on iOS 26 and fix any problems along with it. Okay, so first we're going to fix all the performance and battery drain problems. And no, you don't need to upgrade your iPhone. There are many things you can do. The first one is to significantly improve the performance on your iPhone, especially older iPhones. So go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, and turn on Reduce Transparency. This will reduce the intensity of the liquid glass effects on your phone. It will also make everything easier to see. The next one will improve your battery life by at least 20%. So go to Settings, General, scroll down to Background App Refresh, tap on Background App Refresh at the top and set it to Wi-Fi. Then go back and turn off the apps you don't need running in the background. And if you want max battery life, turn background app refresh off entirely. This will turn off the continuous refreshing of your apps in the background, which takes a significant amount of battery life. This is where you'll get the biggest improvement. These two alone will significantly improve your experience on iOS 26. But if you want a little extra, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, scroll down and tap on Keyboard Feedback and turn off haptics. Then go back and turn off system haptics. Then go back to Settings, Accessibility, tap on Motion. Then at the very bottom, turn on Limit Frame Rate. Lastly, go back to Settings, Display and Brightness. Scroll down to Always On Display and turn off everything except the last toggle. These settings will give you an extra 5 to 10% improvement in battery life. They are fairly small settings, so they won't affect how you use your phone as much. So changing these settings is all you need to do to fix the majority of the problems you're facing on iOS 26. Next, let's talk about features. You've probably seen all the big ones like liquid glass, spatial photos, the new lock screen, but like I said, there are more than 400 features in iOS 26. Many of these are hidden in settings, and they're pretty cool. First, if you want better quality photos, go to Settings, Camera, scroll down and turn off Prioritize Faster Shooting. This will make it so your camera prioritizes quality over speed when taking photos. Next, if you get annoying spam calls all the time like I do, then in Settings, go to Apps, then scroll down and tap on Phone, and scroll down to the Screen Unknown Caller section and select Ask Reason for Calling. This is a very useful feature. Your iPhone will speak to the caller, ask them the reason for the call, display that in text, and only then will your phone actually ring. Next, scroll up and turn on Hold Assist Detection. With this, your iPhone will automatically detect when someone puts you on hold, and when they're back, it will notify you, so you don't have to stay there waiting. Next, you can clean up the interface in the new camera app in iOS 26. To do this, go to the camera settings, scroll down and go to indicators. And here you can turn off the settings you don't need cluttering up the camera interface. I recommend you turn everything off, since you can already access everything from the menu on the top right. Next is something you probably haven't noticed about your keyboard yet. There's something different. Let me show you. Go into Settings, then General, then Keyboard, and turn on Character Preview. This enables that letter preview on your keyboard when you're typing. It's disabled by default on iOS 26. Next, you can customize the look of Safari. So go into Settings, then Apps, find Safari, and then scroll down to the Tabs section. And here you have 3 layouts to choose from, and a few other options as well. Check it out. Next is a feature that gives you some freedom and flexibility to open your files. In the Files app, tap and hold on a file. In this menu, you get a new option called Open With. You can tap on it and it will show you a list of relevant apps you can choose from to open the selected file. It's pretty handy. Next, if you use Always On Display with wallpaper enabled and you feel like it looks too on when your iPhone is locked, here's a new setting for you. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, scroll down to the Always On Display settings and turn on Blur Wallpaper Photo. This will blur the wallpaper that appears on the Always On display. Looks pretty good as well. Next, when it comes to customizing your iPhone on iOS 26, there's actually much more you can do other than just setting new wallpapers and rearranging the icons on your home screen. That's too basic. There's actually a lot of stuff you can do to truly customize your iPhone and make it look not just a little different, but completely different. If you want to see what I'm talking about, check out these videos. I've also linked them in the description. So like I said in the beginning, you probably already knew about the big stuff in iOS 26. and I showed you the other small but important stuff and ways to fix performance and battery problems. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to support my channel and to watch more iOS videos. Peace.